we start the name of God. After that, my peace and prayers, prayer, pray, prayers be upon all messengers and prophets. It is another time and our Somali learning program. Still, we are in the midst of our Somali Pronunciation Guide. I would like to give you W and vowels. How may track themselves in the Somali word. So, like we did last week, we simply place short or long vowel before and after these consonant, right? So let's first place the short ones after the W itself. Yeah, it is wa, we, wo, wo. Simple, right? So I repeat it again. It is wa, we, wo, wo. Let's now place a foot, if you like, the long one after the W. It is wa, we, wo, wo. Right? Now let's place or put short before the W. Au, eu, you, o, and u. These I shall explain later in the program. Later in the other end of this chapter, I shall explain you a place in short or long vowels before the consonant, consonants, the consonants. Let's now place or put the long ones before the W. Ow, ew, you, o, and oo. How to make the W sound is not different than how to make the English one. So I think you English speakers could already find how to make the Somali W. Wa, we, wo, wa, we, wo. So we have reached it at the end of the lesson of today. Let's now make some examples and Walid, will, and wakil, wayel, wehel, wareysi, war. So I hope you the very best. I hope you the very best. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. All right. Bye.